Especially if you're new to using the Instant Pot, you might find that after washing the lid, the little pressure valve pops off. And you might think, uh-oh, I've broken it. But actually, this is something that's designed to happen, and it's super easy to fix. The valve is designed to come off so that you can clean it between uses, so you just can pull it off and put it back on. So the first thing is just flip it over. You can see the little pressure seal on the inside here. And then we're going to go to our lid, and it has a little metal tube that comes up. And we're just going to place this hole over the tube with the little direction arrow there pointing towards the venting setting. And you just press it down. It should pop right back on to the top of the pot, assuming that you have it pointed towards venting. So just check that it's secure in there. Check that it's pointed in the correct direction. Now we're going to just slide it over from venting over onto the sealing setting. And you should feel that it's all the way pressed down and secure there. And now you're good to go. So in the future, just know if you do need to clean the valve between uses, you can just pop it off by putting it on the venting setting and giving it a solid pull, clean it off, and then put it back on as I described.